Welcome back. Today we are making a creamy Mexican boiled pistachio dessert, a silky pistachio Natilla with cinnamon and vanilla. It is worth making because it tastes rich and festive, but it comes together on the stovetop with simple ingredients. This recipe makes 6 servings, with a prep time of 35 minutes plus 2 hours to chill. Our ingredient walkthrough starts with 1 cup shelled unsalted pistachios. They give the Natilla its signature color, nutty flavor, and creamy body once blended. 4 cups whole milk make the custard smooth and spoonable. We divide it so some blends the pistachios, some loosens the cornstarch, and the rest becomes the base. 1 12-ounce can evaporated milk adds a rich Mexican dessert flavor. It makes the Natilla taste creamier without needing heavy cream. 1/2 cup granulated sugar sweetens the pistachio gently. It keeps the dessert balanced instead of candy sweet. 1/4 cup cornstarch is the thickener. It turns the boiled milk mixture into a soft chilled custard. 1 cinnamon stick perfumes the milk as it heats. That warm cinnamon note makes the dessert feel unmistakably Mexican. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract rounds out the pistachio flavor. We add it at the end so it stays fragrant. 1/4 teaspoon fine salt sharpens the sweetness. A small amount makes the pistachio taste fuller. 2 tablespoons finely chopped pistachios finish the dessert. They add a little crunch and make each bowl look special. We begin the preparation by putting 1 cup shelled unsalted pistachios into the blender. Keep 2 tablespoons finely chopped pistachios aside for finishing later. Now add 1 cup of the whole milk to the pistachios and blend for about 1 minute, until the mixture is as smooth and pale green as your blender can make it. While the pistachios are blended, whisk 1/4 cup cornstarch with 1/2 cup cold whole milk in a small bowl. Keep whisking until there are no dry lumps. Now that the pistachio blend and cornstarch slurry are ready, pour the remaining 2 1/2 cups whole milk into the saucepan. Add 1 12-ounce can evaporated milk, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon fine salt, and 1 cinnamon stick to the saucepan. Set the saucepan over medium heat and stir often as the milk warms. Bring it to a gentle boil, which should take about 6 to 8 minutes. Once the milk is gently boiling, lower the heat slightly and slowly whisk in the blended pistachio mixture. Keep the whisk moving so the green pistachio base blends evenly. Bring the pistachio milk back to a low boil and cook it for 2 minutes. This wakes up the pistachio flavor and lets the cinnamon continue to infuse. Whisk the cornstarch slurry one more time, then pour all of it into the saucepan in a thin stream while whisking constantly. This keeps the custard silky instead of clumpy. Keep the mixture at a gentle boil for 3 to 5 minutes, whisking constantly. It is ready when the custard thickens and coats the whisk in a smooth pale green layer. Now that the custard is thick, turn off the heat and remove the cinnamon stick. The milk has taken on its warm flavor, so the stick has done its job. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract while the custard is still hot. The vanilla should disappear into the pistachio base and leave it fragrant. Let the custard stand off the heat for 2 minutes, then stir it once more. This short rest helps it settle into a glossy, even texture. Divide the hot pistachio Natilla among 6 small bowls. Pour slowly so each serving gets an even, smooth surface. Let the bowls cool at room temperature for 15 minutes, then chill them for 2 hours. The custard should set softly while staying creamy. To close the cooking, sprinkle the chilled custards with 2 tablespoons finely chopped pistachios. Serve them cold, when the texture is silky and the pistachio flavor is fresh. And there it is, a creamy Mexican boiled pistachio Natilla that delivers the easy, festive pistachio dessert we promised at the start. Serve it chilled after a meal, with extra chopped pistachios if you love more crunch. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more homemade desserts.